Welcome to the heart of Mexico City, where tradition meets creativity. Here, in this bustling market, you'll find a treasure trove of handcrafted goods that tell stories of heritage and artistry. From vibrant textiles that capture the colors of nature, to intricate pottery pieces passed down through generations, HID is more than just an object. It's a piece of Mexican culture. The energy here is electric, filled with the sounds of vendors calling out their wares, and the laughter of shoppers, discovering unique treasures. Whether you're looking for something special as a gift, or simply want to immerse yourself in local life, this market offers a taste of authentic Mexico. Come explore and take home a memory, as beautiful as these crafts themselves.